As meltwater collects on the surface of ice sheets, supraglacial lakes form. The water contained within these lakes can flow into crevasses. This water pressurizes crevasses, potentially causing full-thickness fracture. These crevasses then transport water from the glacier surface to the bedrock, where high water pressures can lift the ice and create kilometre-long cracks along the basal interface, accelerating glacier flow. We present a first computational modeling study that describes time-dependent fracture propagation in an idealized glacier causing rapid supraglacial lake drainage. A novel two-scale numerical method is developed to capture the elastic and viscoelastic deformations of ice along with crevasse propagation. The fluid-conserving thermo-hydro-mechanical model incorporates turbulent fluid flow and accounts for melting and refreezing in fractures. This model is implemented in a finite element framework, using interface elements to capture the crevasse propagation. We can compare simulations approximating ice as a linear elastic material to ice modeled as a viscoelastic material. When a linear elastic model is used, the crevasse closes soon after reaching the base of the ice sheet. In contrast, fractures remain open using the viscoelastic model, allowing for subsequent uplifting of the ice sheet. This finding contradicts the conventional assumption that elastic deformation is adequate to describe fracture propagation in glacier over short timescales, minutes to several hours, and instead demonstrates that viscous deformation must be considered to reproduce observations of lake drainage rate and local ice surface elevation change. Comparing this model to observational data from a 2008 rapid lake drainage event indicates that including these viscous effects is needed to obtain a reasonable match. The presented model is able to capture the uplifting of an ice sheet and estimate the volumes of water involved during this process. Looking at the thermal model included, we see that for the thermal profile used the viscous effects dominate. The crevasse opening created by viscous effects is orders of magnitudes higher than the amount of freezing or melting that occurs. However, our results indicate that if the temperature of the ice sheet near the surface is below -8 degrees Celsius, crevasses will freeze before they have a chance to propagate. As supraglacial lakes continue expanding inland and as Greenland ice sheet temperatures become warmer, rapid lake drainages are likely to occur without refreezing, which has implications for the rate of sea level rise. The presented model provides initial insights into the role of relevant physical phenomena, demonstrating the role of the material model used to describe ice, and the relevance of thermal effects. For further information, please see our full research article, Ice Viscosity Governs Hydraulic Fracture Causing Rapid Drainage of Supraglacial Lakes.